This is Miss Sandra. Today I'm going to show you how to make an owl out of a toilet paper roll. You just need a toilet paper roll and crayons for this owl, but you can also make it as fancy as you want depending on what else you have on hand. You can make it more colorful. If you've got magazine pages, it's okay to cut up. Newspaper pages make a great snowy owl, and googly eyes make everything more fun if you've got some googly eyes hanging around. You start by gently pushing in either side of the top of the roll. So you're making like little curved dents. That's how you get your little owl horn shapes. You make the owl a belly by drawing in feathers. Or if you want, you can color in an oval. Or if you've got construction paper and you want, you can cut out an oval and glue it there to make a belly. Same thing with wings. You can draw them on, or you can cut them out of paper. What I do to get my wings to be about the same size when I'm cutting them out is I draw it first on a piece of paper. Looks like a pretty good size. So I draw it on a piece of paper and then I trace it what I'm going to cut it out from. So then I end up with two wings about the same size. So now he has a feathered belly and he's got wings. So next are eyes. Same thing, if you want, you can draw them on. If you want really brightly colored eyes, crayons are great for that. If you've got paper, you can draw really big circles. If you've got googly eyes, you can add those. I think this guy's going to need brighter eyes than that. So use a little scrap of paper and fold it just like I did for the wings and cut a circle so that way I'll have the eyes about the same size too. this crazy magazine eyes, he needs googly eyes. This is about where your fingers start getting really sticky. Okay, belly, wings, eyes, what's he missing? It's time for a beak. You can draw on a beak if you like, or if you want, if you've got some bright colored paper handy, again, you can fold it in half and cut a little triangle shape. You're going to put glue on the back of one side. And flatten it under the eyes, so you've got a 3D beak. So try a few different types, all different sorts. The more different papers you've got, the more different ones you can make. Make a whole bunch. You've got yourself a flock. Or, since owls don't usually gather together, if you want to sound fancy, a gathering of owls is called a parliament. So enjoy your parliament of owls.